going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. We're in a house today, a nice house. Pretty nice house. I removed the toilet. It's a Glacier Bay. So they said they've had issues with the drain leaking downstairs, but it's when it's clogged. So we are going to video the line. I'm gonna be honest with you, I already videoed it. There's calcium in the line, so we're gonna be using Milwaukee chain snake, and we're gonna break it up, and we're gonna use the camera. As you guys can see, I got the camera set up, got the iPad over there. So let's have some fun, I guess. So, how do we want to do this? I guess we can do that. Alright, I think that's okay for now. What do you guys think? Good like that? Just do the job, Jay. I'm sorry. Sorry. What's that? Got the iPad there so we can see what's going on. Bring the camera in so we can see what's going on. Alright, everything's set up. The guy went to work, but he made me an espresso beforehand, so. What you guys know about espressos? Espressos or espressos? Hey, give it a thumbs up if you guys like espressos. And also, give it a thumbs up if you don't like espressos. Alright, let's see. So, we gotta go with the, this has the foot pedal. So, okay, you guys can already see some calcium there, right? You know what? Actually, yeah, I'll show you guys first, and then we'll go in with the chain. You guys see? So it doesn't look so bad here at the beginning a little bit. You guys can see that it was built up there. Take a change of direction here. Take another change of direction. You guys can start seeing some soap. I guess somebody used the washroom. Okay, right there. Right. Right there. So maybe we should see if we can push the chain past that point. And then we can basically work our way out. Okay, so the chain made it beyond that point. Let's see if I can get some water running. Just maybe some cold water. Just to kind of clear up that soap a bit. So it looks like it's going under the water a bit, coming back. There definitely could be some pond in there. Okay, I'm going to pull the chain out and then we'll pull the camera back. All right, let's keep going with the camera. See if we can make it out to the septic. Okay, so there's that calcium there. If we can push it. Okay, so that's actually where it's the septic. So that's where it falls into the septic. So this is the spot I thought it was going underwater, which it's not too bad. A little bit of ponding, but very minor. That's where the sink is tying in there. Okay. Now what we're going to do, we're just going to go in and descale that pipe a bit, maybe 20 feet or so. That should probably be good. So we got something on the lens edge. I'm going to wash that. Yeah, so that's where the toilet's tying in. So that's why this isn't washed up, because the water's not here at this point. Now, you guys can see how the chain works. So it's basically just pulling all that scaling off. And then what's going to happen is and then when the toilet gets flushed, everything will wash away because it's all loose now. Alright, so let me know what you guys think. I'm going to put the toilet back and then I'll turn the camera back on. Alright, so I just put everything on. You guys probably can't even hear me. I said I just put everything back together. How's it look? Fancy, lovely. We're just letting it fill up. Then we'll give it a flush. Throw some paper down just to be, you know, nice. Make it look like it does. Here goes. Whoa. All right, there you go, guys. I want to thank you for watching. If you guys liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I don't know why I do stuff like that. I'm so corny. I'm sorry. But anyway, seriously though. Yeah, if you guys like it. I've been told that there's a reason YouTubers, when they're like this, right? But anyway, till next time. No. How's that? Till next time. It's been Jay, that Drain Guy, signing out.